Where am I? What is this place? What happened? Ow. That unicorn really got me good. Fury, are you okay? Wake up! I'm awake. What happened? We simply underestimated the unicorn's powers. Well, that makes plenty of sense. What do we do next? I mean, it's not like we're gonna get out of here simply. I'm sure we'll find a way out. I mean, we got ourselves into this mess. I'm sure we can get a way out. I really hope you're right. Hello, guards. I'd like to see the prisoners, please. Yes, of course, boss. Alright, I'll just let you in. Or should I bring them out? Just let me in. I know they won't harm me. Of course, sir. I'll let you in. Alright, sir. You may enter, but proceed with caution. These people are insane. Don't you worry. I know what I'm doing. Hello there. I'm the boss of this place, and I would like to tell you that you're never getting out of here. We are going to stop you. You've been doing bad things. Exploding our friends and families, it's not good. We need to put you in jail. I agree with her, you dirty flea bag. Too bad you'll be so exploded that you will never come back. I'll see you guys again soon. It's official. We're doomed. There has to be some kind of way we can get out of here. I don't know, but I think I have an idea. Well, let's make that idea come true because we need to get out of here. I know. We'll get out of here. I promise. I'm going to get us out. Alright, I'm gonna push this door open, and then we run as fast as we can. You mean pull it as hard as you possibly can, right? Yes, of course. Ready for a taste of this? Yeah. You're next. Yeah. Come on, Fury, let's get out of here. We finally got away. Yeah, it's great. Come on, we should keep going. We need to get as far as we possibly can before nightfall. Yes, we do. This is the last straw. We must find those two before they ruin everything. Of course, sir. But how will we find them? They're probably miles away by now. I thought we could use your so-called powers for tracking. It would work very well. I guess it would be okay to try. Good. Now let's get back to work. Of course, sir. Of course.